the experiment was run during a period when there were many terrorist incidents in Europe. So that's the background. How much would you pay for insurance that pays $100,000 in case of death for any reason? And how much would you pay for insurance that pays $100,000 in case of death in a terror incident? People pay much more for the second than for the first. And the reason that they do is that there is an immediate response, which is, how afraid am I? And I'm more afraid, most people are more afraid of the idea of dying in a terrorist incident than they're afraid of dying. And that is the mapping that takes place. Again, that's the way it works. This is the associative machinery. And one beautiful thing about it, it doesn't get stumped. It produces an answer to questions that it doesn't know how to answer. But it produces them by answering easier questions. And a lot of our mental life is conducted in just this way.